Mold and mold-related property damage has cost untold billions worldwide. Currently, there are no federal, state, or local regulations to address levels of mold contamination. Most insurance companies won't cover the cost of mold claims, which are reported to be $2 to $3 billion annually. Authorities believe as many as half of all homes, buildings, and schools may have some level of mold or fungus infestation. EPA guidelines state that mold cleanup is the responsibility of the homeowner or landlord. Betanix products will change the way we live as we eliminate mold in our homes and workplaces.
Hi, my name is Steve Dorman. I've been involved in the apartment industry for over 30 years. We're inside of a small apartment unit in Los Angeles, and we're looking at a wall that's been inundated with mold and spores. What we want to do is try to find and discover a way to take care of this so that the issues that face us health-wise are taken care of.
My name is Mark Menowitz. I own the company Apartment Rental Assistance. We have over 20,000 apartments across the United States. And mold is a big issue for us. It's always been, and we've never been able to get rid of it in the past. If it comes back right away, and it becomes a huge expense to keep on retreating the same wall time in, time out. Now it's become a crisis. Tried additives and paints. All of my painters have gone to the stores and mixed stuff in paints and magic potions, and none of the stuff's ever worked in the past. We tried this on a couple of apartments that I own, and it got rid of it, and to this day, after 8, 9, 10 months we've been using the product, none of the mold has ever come back before.
Throughout the United States, this particular problem is causing economic issues within the apartment industry and causing all kinds of problems for individual homeowners. The health issues, the economic impact, these are great. And what we're looking for is a product that we feel can solve that problem for the long term.
We have a huge problem in this country as well as worldwide by people for years ignoring the problem of mold. It's not only a health issue, but it's also an environmental issue, and it's an issue with homeowners. What they're doing is they're destroying their health and their home at the same time. And it was caused mostly by the energy problems, where people are making their homes tighter to keep in the cold air in the warm climates, more moisture and cold climates to keep in the hot air in, and they're closing off the vents. So what they're doing is they're actually cooking mushrooms in their home, and they don't know it. The mold wash product actually penetrates where it's into wood, or penetrates into the drywall paper and the drywall, and into the drywall, and it will prevent mold from returning. Our product is also designed for new homes, and when you build a home, you put the frame up, you come in and you spray it with our products, the framing, you put the drywall on site and you paint it interior, exterior. You have a home that's safe. You have a home that even if you have burst pipes later down the road, that the possibility of getting mold is nearly zero. Now for remedial homes that have been existing a long time, we have a product that we foam in the walls. They've been foaming products in walls for termites for many years. So I used our products the same way, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. For pest control operators or good mold remediation companies that foam, they can use our products. They're designed to do that. And you don't have to tear the walls down at all. Mold wash is a non-toxic compound. It can be used by anyone in the home. All our Betanix products, mold wash and line of paints, as well as our product for foaming in, anti-mold, anti-termite, all guaranteed. They all carry an insurance policy with them, which we pass on to the homeowner.
The company that makes this product has a wide range of products that not only will clean the wall, will then allow us to put a primer on it, paint it, and walk away knowing that we protected the asset, and more importantly, we've reduced the health hazard.
The cost of this mold situation and these problems has gotten astronomical, because I think every property owner is going to have a mold expert working for them. A lot of people would come in and claim that they have all kinds of allergies. You notice a lot of rise in allergy complaints. And when people start having allergies in your apartments, in the past they would just move out of the apartment and not tell you. Now what they're doing is they're running immediately to their attorneys and suing for big money.
A product that can help people live their normal life in their home without worrying about health issues regarding mold. It's designed for people that they can do it themselves. They can also hire professionals, but with a product like this, they can wash off the mold themselves, and they also can paint it with our products, and they can have a peace of mind. Our typical homeowner, the biggest asset is the home. We know that termites will kill your home, but mold will kill you. People will say, do you remember those molden days? Mold will be a thing of the past, that we can eventually get our grips on, our hands around, so that we're not embarrassed in our homes, or our health departments are not embarrassed by film crews coming, filming apartments or their office buildings that are full of mold.
With the Betanix products, this is the first time we've been able to apply the products in a system and get rid of it permanently.
These products are not only to protect your home, but it protects your health and your family's health, because that's all we have is our health.